Believe it or not, you don't actually need to know how to code to launch useful websites and make real money online, because you could use something called Hostinger Horizons. Now, this is a platform that allows you to put in a prompt and AI will do everything for you, and then you can also monetize that as well. Let's dive into this. So today we're going to be using Horizons to create powerful utility websites. We're going to learn how to launch them, host the domain, and how an email included if you're on the right program with Hostinger. And also, we'll learn how to monetize these tools through ads, subscriptions, and service upsells. This is perfect for beginners, freelancers, or anyone starting a side hustle but doesn't know how to code. So if you want to do this with me, then go ahead and press the link in the description. You can sign up for a no credit card needed. And yes, from that point, you will basically go to the Hostinger dashboard, which is this area here. Now, of course, they do have this AI website builder, which is fantastic, and we'll talk to you about this throughout the video, but it's important to note that these guys do actually handle hosting, domains, SSL, and even email directly from this dashboard. So you can have this as your all-in-one space or platform to manage and build your website or products. But for now, let's go to Hostinger Horizons and create our website. Now, creating mini tools is super easy with this. For example, let's just say we want to create a clean website that allows users to upload and compress PDFs. Well, what we can do here is type that into this prompt section, and just like it says here, we describe the project, we make edits easily, and then we go live in a single clip. And this actually only takes minutes to generate. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here we are, we can see the AI working by building out the site itself here and basically expanding on our prompt. It says, sit tight, magic is happening right now. It'll just take a few quick minutes. And now after a few short minutes, we can see that it's created our website preview for the PDF compressor. Now, what we can do with this is actually choose files to upload and use the product, or yes, we can actually build more on this if we want to as well. So let's go ahead and type into the prompt box saying add a compress, merge, and split option for the PDFs. And then we just let the AI work its magic and add this for us. This is great because we don't need to code any of this in. And if there are any errors that arise, we simply press a fix error button and the AI will take care of it. And now it's gone ahead and added everything that we've asked to add. So we've got compress, we've got merge, and we've got split. And you can see it's also changed the name to toolkit rather than just the compressor tool. Now, if we did want to tweak the design here, as we can see a little bit of clashing here with the title and the background, what we can do is actually just ask the AI to do this for us. So what we've typed in here is tweak the design so the title doesn't clash with the background. Also consider color scheme, logos, CTA buttons. And then we're just going to see what it comes back with. And then after waiting a minute, we can see it's actually come back with a fantastic looking website where, yes, the title does pop now. We also have a logo here on the left. And yeah, overall, it just looks a lot better. Now, another thing this thing can do really well is add things like SEO keywords, banner ad slots, or even affiliate products, and of course, email capture forms. This could be great for building a list of emails for you to actually then retarget and sell other products too. So let's go ahead and add some of these here. We're going to go with SEO keywords, a banner ad slot, and an email capture page. So yeah, we've typed that in. Let's see what it comes back with. And just like that, if we scroll down here, we have now got a spot for a banner ad, which we can integrate here at the top. And bottom right here, we can see we do actually have a newsletter button as well. So if we click that, we then get this pop-up for people to put their email in and subscribe to our newsletter. So when it comes to integrations, we can press the integration button, in which, yes, we can add a Supabase database if we want, or even a online store here. If we click that, we can then connect that, or even add Stripe payments. Now, if we were to have a premium version of this tool, potentially where you could upload more files, get more customization on the compression of the PDFs, and what you could do is actually create your own landing page using the Horizons platform, and actually, yes, just have those linked up, in which they are both fully functioning working websites that help promote the product itself. Now, once we're happy with this site, and I think it looks pretty good, what we can do is press the publish button, and then it's going to say, hey, your website has been published successfully, and we do have an initial link that we can use, or we can actually get a domain directly on the hosting a site in which, yes, we can just link our domain to this. We can also share this website as it is on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, or just get a link that we could DM people with. And when it comes to getting traffic, you could use websites like Reddit or Product Hunt to actually get that lead gen. But this would be great if you do have your own product that you want to get going to make money online, or if you want to offer it as a freelance service on something like Upwork or Fiverr. You can do that very easily. And as you've seen today here, guys, it literally takes a couple minutes to get a fully functioning website. Now, there are many different ideas that you could do this with. A couple examples here would be an invoice generator, a temporary email generator, a remove image background like remove.bg, health calculators, currency converters, YouTube thumbnail downloaders, and much more. And all of this is super easy to make because you simply just prompt the AI and it does it all for you. But that is Hostinger Horizons. Definitely check it out in the description, guys, because this is honestly the best way to create a fully functioning website that you can monetize in literally under 10 minutes. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.